Okay, for my second example of a long division problem, I'm going to do example number 3 from our daily work. And it's this one right here, the x cubed plus 1 divided by x minus 1. So I'm going to write it over here like a division problem. X minus 1 is the denominator, and then x cubed plus 1 is the numerator. So I'm going to put it in here. Now watch what I do this time. Because remember, it has to be in the form x cubed, x squared, x, and then the constant. X cubed, x squared, x number. So I write the x cubed like that. There is no x squared over here. See, there's no x squared term. So what do I put? I have to put a placeholder plus 0x squared like that. And there is no x term either. So I'm going to put plus 0x. And there is a constant at the end, a plus 1. So it's going to end up looking like that. And these two right here are what we call placeholders. And you have to have them when you do long division. You have to put a placeholder in so we can do the division properly. So let's start our division by looking at these two lead terms, the x and the x cubed. We divide those, x cubed divided by x, to get our lead term here. X cubed over x is x squared. So I'm going to start with an x squared up here, and then it's going to multiply into both of those and carry down. X squared times x is x cubed. X squared times negative 1 is negative 1x squared, like that. And remember, after you do both, parentheses around it and subtract like that. And these two cancel, they go away. And then 0 minus negative 1, that is actually a plus 1. That is 1x squared, positive 1x squared. And then I bring down this 0x plus 0x like that. And I start the process again. I'm going to look at this x squared and x. What is x squared divided by x? That would be positive x, like that, plus x. And then I do the process again. I multiply x into both of these. X times x is x squared. X squared. See, x times x is x squared. And then x times negative 1 is minus 1x. I do like that. And parentheses subtract. X squared minus x squared goes away. Those should always cancel if you do this correctly. And then 0 minus negative 1 is positive 1x plus 1. I'm bringing that plus 1 down now, my last term. And once I hit the last term, let's do it one more time. How many times does x go into x? Once, right? So plus 1. So you do 1 times x is x. And then 1 times negative 1 is negative 1, like that. And then you subtract. All right. And x minus x goes away, and then 1 minus negative 1, that's actually a positive 2, right? So you have a 2, and this is a remainder right here. So we have a remainder of 2 this time. And this is how you put a remainder into your answer. What you do is at the top where your answer is x squared plus x plus 1, on the end you add the remainder, so it's plus, watch, the remainder is the numerator, and the denominator is this x minus 1. So it's plus 2 over x minus 1. The same way you could do in old school division, back in elementary school, except this time it's a little more complex, right? So your final answer is x squared plus x plus 1 plus 2 over x minus 1.